What's up, Toasters and Two Bits? Check this out, man. I just got some door handles from my guy at RC Customs. At RC Customs, man. Y'all make sure y'all check him out, man. Look him up on Facebook as well, man. He's selling door handles, man, similar to the Ken Diggett style. And we finally got them in. And actually, man, they are they're pretty good grade, man. They're pretty good grade. As you can see, heavy duty. They're definitely heavy duty. His style goes in. The Ken Diggett's come out. His goes in. Let's see if I can show y'all how this works. So we got them in. This is the passenger side, of course. We got the driver's side in. Actually, man, it took me 45 minutes. It took me about 45 minutes to get it installed. Use my welder. So I got it installed. I'm actually learning how to weld a little bit, you guys. We'll do a little bit of body work here, there. I get my guys to clean it up. But I got the door handles in. Well, the driver's side. I got that driver's side installed. Actually, man, it was a pretty breeze, man. He told me exactly where they go, the stock location, which hose to use, and this is how those work. So I got it tack welded in and got the factory rod back installed. So as you can see, the rod pushes back in as the factory does. I bought a set of Ken Diggett door handles, and the problem that I was having with the Ken Diggett's was as they would go in, they would hit the glass. So these here are more for the style of door handles that lift up. That way it can push that rod down. And they work perfect, so. And they work perfect. We can dig it. 92 Camaro. This is the boss lady's car. Y'all know them coming off there. But anyway, that's about that on that, man. I want to give y'all a quick tutorial update on these door handles, man, from RC Customs. Like I say, man, make sure y'all go shop him, look at him, check him out. RC Customs. They located in Florida, man. I got it in, shoot, I placed the order Saturday. He shipped them out Monday. I had them in like 2 days, so definitely no complaints. We're gonna try to get this other one installed, lock it in. That's that on that in a minute.